Hello, this is Ami Diamond. In this episode, I'd like to show you a new feature called section templates. So we'll create a new page. I'm now on a team site, but it's available also on a communication site. I'll click the new, click page, and let's choose one of these templates. And actually, I can now adjust the page. And now that I click on the section, I click and I see the section possibility to choose if I want one column, two columns, three columns, one third right. But in addition, we also have templates. So the templates actually give us a visual way to decide what to put on a page. So I can choose three columns, image and text. So this is what you see, three images and three text web parts. And if we continue, we can see that we can have one third left image and text. So this is the text, this is the image, and let's go on. We can have two column, vertical image and text. It's if they could add also some default image, it would be nice. I don't know, maybe it's just a preview. So here we have one column, image and text. It's larger. And let's continue. So we'll go now and click it and click template and go to the next one. Here we have one third right image and text. So we have on the left an image and we have two text web parts. And let's continue. The last one is two columns, image and text. So here we have image and a text. So this is actually what I wanted to show you. So in addition to the sections, we have section templates. And these are the things that you can choose from. Obviously here you can then choose an image and make it much more visual. So let's just take an example. Let's take this image and now we have it here. And let's take some text and let's call it love is in the air. Okay, so I published it. Let's see how it looks. Of course, I need to give a name to the page. Demo one. Let's publish it.